partly cloudy. Lows around 40. Monday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain showers. Highs around 60. Monday night, mostly cloudy with chance of rain showers in the evening, then partly cloudy overnight. Lows around 40. Chance of showers 50%. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for this afternoon, cloudy. A 20% chance of rain showers early in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour. At noon, in the Twin Cities, it was cloudy. The temperature was 48 degrees, the dew point was 40, and the relative humidity was 73%. The wind was northwest at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 31. The pressure was 29.66 inches. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.